Hello and welcome to this month's Database Spotlight. Today we'll be discussing CQ Researcher. Today we'll first go over an overview of the Handley Regional Library System's digital library. Then we'll highlight this database audience and how to access and utilize CQ Researcher. First, what is a digital library? A digital library houses a vast collection of free online resources for reading, watching, or learning capabilities. Handley's digital library is accessible 24/7 for your research and learning needs. With a library card, patrons can access numerous free resources that are supported on multiple devices. You can try checking out an ebook or downloading an audiobook to read, dig into your family history, or practice for an upcoming test. Tutorials on how to use the digital library can be found on our website at www.handleyregional.org. Now that we know what a digital library is, we need to know what is a library database. A library database is a searchable collection of published, reliable sources that offers advanced searching for specific needs. From language tools to legal resources, tech help to homework help, there is a database for everyone. Databases offer patrons the ability to filter searches, which helps students learn how to research based on publication date, content type, and reading level as examples. Citations are frequently provided. CQ Researcher gives students access to reliable sources on a variety of current topics. It also gives teachers access to information and discussion questions that can be used to supplement and enhance instruction. Let's take a look at the CQ Researcher website. To get to CQ Researcher, start on the Handley Library System homepage. Go to the Research and Learn tab and go to Homework Help under Discover. CQ Researcher is the very first result. You will be prompted to put in your library card number. Once you've put in your library card number, you will see the homepage for CQ Researcher. It includes a featured report here at the top, a few recent reports, some upcoming reports that will be available in the next few weeks, and the most recent updates on some hot topics. Let's take a look at the featured report. On the homepage, you can see different sections, such as discussion questions, chronology, and pro-con. However, each of these just gives a small portion of what you can find if you view the full report. So let's view the full report. On the left-hand side, you can see the navigation system. You can navigate to each of these different sections. One of the sections that might be most beneficial is the pro-con section. The pro-con section gives a question. In this case, is online learning a successful substitute for in-person learning in K-12 schools? And then provides a pro and a con from experts in the field. This might be beneficial to students who are working on a report or who are working on a debate of some kind. Another section that could be useful to teachers is the discussion questions section. This section provides questions that could be useful in fostering classroom discussion or in creating opinion papers. Another section is the chronology. This section has headings that we saw on the homepage, but it also offers further details. Short features has smaller articles that relate to the larger article available in the overview. Maps and graphs contains all the maps and graphs listed in the overview as well, available in their own section for convenience. The bibliography lists all of the sources used in the report. On this section, you can see a variety of options of what you can do with the report. You can view the PDF. You can cite using APA, Blue Book, Chicago, or MLA formatting and export your citation. You can print or email the report, or you can save the report if you're logged in. This is one report that we can see, but there are many ways to find other reports. For example, you can browse topics like agriculture, education, international trade and development. Let's click on education. Once you click on a topic, it breaks down even further into smaller categories. Let's click on education policy. Here you can see a variety of reports relating to educational policy. Short reports are flagged. In addition to finding reports by browsing topics, you can browse reports by date, issue tracker, pro-con, and hot topics. Let's explore those a bit further. To browse by issue tracker, you can go to this section. As you can see, there are many more options, and they are more specific, which might be useful if you're doing specific research. Let's go to education issues. Here you can see the reports relating to education issues. As you can see, online learning is at the top. So there are multiple ways to get to each report. You can also browse by pro-con. If you select a category, let's select arts. When you browse by pro-con, you can see the pro-con question in addition to the title of the article. Hot topics are a little bit different of a report. Because they are shorter in length and more of an update to ongoing topics. The report is shorter in length, but also provides a chronology that is usually more recent. In addition, there are other things you can do with CQ Researcher. You can save documents to find in your favorite documents. You can save searches. You can view your document history and set topic alerts. They also include a section on how to cite CQ Researcher if you are interested in creating your own citations rather than using the citations they provide. Additionally, if you need further help on using the CQ Researcher website, they have a section called Take a Tour, where you can view a tutorial video. So in summary, CQ Researcher can be used for both students and educators. For students, it provides user-friendly features appropriate for middle and high school students and college students on a variety of current events and hot topics. Students may find the pro-con feature especially helpful. For educators, it provides well-researched reports on specific educational topics that can be used in a variety of ways. Teachers can specifically utilize the discussion questions feature to foster class discussion. Thank you for using your library. For more digital library help, you can email information@handleyregional.org.